Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to flip and rotate video in CapCut PC. If you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to flip and rotate video in CapCut PC. In this video I will show you two different ways to flip and rotate video. Okay, first you need to add the clip to the timeline. And this is the first way. Under basic, you see here, position and then rotate. Just you can click here to rotate, or just you can use the wheel here to rotate. Okay, the second way is just click on the clip and then right click. After that, edit and then click rotate. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to flip and rotate video in CapCut PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.